Hello everyone, my name is Raj Sudarshan and today I'm excited to present HashtagHolidays, a chatbot that transforms your Instagram interactions and online engagement into personalized travel recommendations. Now, HashtagHolidays is a chatbot that understands your travel preferences by tapping into your Instagram data, merging it with insights from your Google browsing history and location history. It tailors travel recommendations to perfectly align with your interest. Now imagine a chatbot that understands your travel preferences, not by asking a redundant questions, but by intelligently analyzing your saved or liked post in Instagram or Google search history and location history. With hashtag holidays, you get recommendations for the places you like. Now, I have created a design document explaining the process and detailed workflow of this project. Here, a user sends a request or message to the chatbot that I have deployed on the Telegram. Powered by Dialogflow, the chatbot discerns the user's intent and communicates with the FastAPI backend. The backend gathers the data from Instagram, Google browsing history, and location history, updating the database in real time. So when a user requests recommendations, it fetches the latest and most relevant data to provide tailored suggestions. Now let me walk you through how this works in real time. Let's start with the interface. Here's our chatbot on Telegram. The reason I chose Telegram is its widespread use and seamless integration capabilities. Now imagine you've been actively engaging with travel posts on Instagram lately and you're itching for new adventure. Hashtag holidays is here to assist you. First, we'll set our starting point or origin. This will let the bot know where we are traveling from. Now next, let's define how far we are willing to travel. This will help narrow down our recommendations. Now the exciting part. Let's ask the bot for some travel recommendations. As you can see, the bot provides a list of places tailored based on the preferences we just set and the data it has analyzed. So how does this all work? At the back end, so once we initiate the chat, hashtag holidays gets to work on it. It analyzes the Instagram posts you have engaged with and identifies travel related content, pinpoints location and scores them based on your interactions, frequency, and recency. Additionally, the system enhances these scores using your browsing history and Google Maps location data to make sure the recommendations are not just generic but uniquely yours. And the Dialogflow calls the appropriate API based on the user's intent. For example, if the user is trying to set origin. So this calls the set origin API with a predefined intent name set origin, and we process the result parameter to perform the coding logic. And likewise, it's the same for the set distance API and get recommendation. So all this, we get the intent from the Dialogflow, and based on the intent, we perform the coding logic. And there you have it, a quick, intuitive, and a personal travel recommendations all through a simple chat service. Now coming back to the slides, to enhance the user experience, I have integrated the backend with Dialogflow. Dialogflow is a Google-owned natural language processing platform that can be used to build conversational applications like chatbots and voice bots. Here, the chatbot truly comes to life. Dialogflow helps with the help of machine learning. It enables natural interactions, understands users' goals seamlessly, provide context-aware responses in real time, and it's scalable, ensuring smooth user experiences even with high user traffic. The Fast API backend supports this with webhooks set to manage Dialogflow's request and ensuring seamless communication, which I just showed. Now, at the heart, we have our backend. This backend is powered by FastAPI. The reason I chose FastAPI is because of its rapid performance with built-in data validation, seamless integration capabilities, and exceptional error handling and interactive API documentation. Now, for example, these are the developer-focused APIs that I have created, and this documentation is auto-generated by FastAPI with the help of Swagger UI. These APIs can be easily integrated with front-end or mobile application whenever required. And this is the foundation of hashtag holidays efficient recommendation engine. Now let's see how this works behind the scenes. The journey starts with the data acquisition. I have used Python installer library to fetch Instagram data, extracting crucial details about the post we liked or saved. Now we have our saved data, but there are hundreds and thousands of saved and liked posts Instagrams for each person. So the next challenge is to identify travel-related content. So here I'm using a zero-shot classification model to analyze the content and pinpoint travel-related post based on the context of the caption. So once we identify the travel-related post, we then use Flare's NER to extract the specific entities, be it cities, landmarks, or countries. Now, after this, we also have the location in hand, and now it's time to score the locations for the user preferences. For this, what I'm doing is I'm taking the frequency of the interactions with the post related to the locations. The recency of the interactions plays a crucial role in this. So, because the post you have recently saved or liked are given more weightage. Now, this is done by using a decay function. I calculate the freshness of each interactions. This function considers both the count of interactions and the dates they occur. All these factors culminate in a final score for each location, ensuring the recommendations stay up to date and relevant to your current interest. Now, the personalization doesn't end with Instagram. By integrating the results with the browsing history or the places you've recently searched for or shown interest, get a score boost. So this provided code snippets showcases how I extract this browsing data to further tailor the recommendation by increasing the score. Now, after this, the recommendation are not just about like where you might want to go, but also it's about where you've been to. To ensure a truly personalized experience, I extract the data from Google Maps location history, identifying places you've recently visited. The scores for these already visited locations are adjusted to emphasize new experiences to promote exploration. The accompanying code snippets dwells into the logic used to extract these visited places and refines the recommendation scores accordingly. Finally, the FastAPI powered recommendation engine, I developed shortlist the top destinations tailored uniquely for each user based on their Instagram profile and the browsing data. These aren't just popular spots, but they are based on your digital footprints, as I just mentioned. Thank you.